How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi guys, want to know how to turn your passion of online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. So, before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate programs work. First, we have sign up. Head over to Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the one you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Here we have some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. No upfront investment first. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products with millions of products available. We have endless options to promote. We have also flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and anytime. Whenever you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates might make a significant income just by sharing links only. The first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. The first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. As you can see, all you have to do is signing up. If you have an account, all you have to do is log in by putting your number or your username or your email and you put your password there, then you log in. You can also choose Facebook or Google to sign up also, and you fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email, address, and contact information. Agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see, here we have login if you have an account and you want to find it. Here we have sign up. If you don't sign up, here we have language. You choose the language you want. We have first language here. Here we have help, notification, also search center, start selling, download, follow us on. Here we have various products as you see. Then we have, if you scroll down, we have a lot of information about this website. You can read it to more understand. Right now you have to navigate through the various products categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick teams that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Here we have like basketball. Choose basketball. As you can see, here we have a photos that showing your product you want. As you can see, if you want others, all you have to do is click over here, 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 and here. We have other things. So you can see. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the products on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog post. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the products on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube videos, descriptions, email newsletter, and more. Creating compelling content. All you have to do is when sharing your links, with engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make uppercase. So here's an example how to share affiliate links. First, we have blog post by writing a detailed review of the products and included affiliate link within the post. Instagram story, share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. YouTube video, we have using the review video and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. To maximize your success with the Shopee affiliate program, here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love, focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come draw and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have social media use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience, engage with your followers, and create content that showcases products effectively. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need these products in their lives. Then we have optimize your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. So are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.